Okay, this is going to be a short video for the cam sensor passenger side, turbo side on an 06 Forester turbo. Not going to show you the fact that I've already got the intercooler gone, unbolted everything from the cooler, as you can see there, as you can see here. I've already done the driver's side, which is hiding way back in there. Stand by. Right about there. Now, we're coming in after the passenger side, which is, come on, where are you at? Right there, hiding underneath intake and injection and everything turbo. Took power steering lines loose. There's a bracket right through here that the power steering bolts to. Took it loose so that I could get those two hoses off, because without those two hoses off you can't get to the sensor, which it is right here. One bolt right there, connector, sensor comes out. I had the infamous po340 code. So, on this car there are two cam sensors, one on the passenger rear, one on the driver rear, in exactly the same position on the head. That is all. May the force be with you. It's a booger.